Say hi. Miss say nobody no reach here. And I don't know where me go. Me's walking. Yes. Want to join? Say hi.
Welcome to you, My name is Detta. We out here with the crew.
When we stop again, I want different place. Them will be found other person, so.
Like nerd, like girl, dog. Let us don't sit down beside Mary there swing around over here, so. Oh my god! Oh. Eh? Keep your eye over there, so brother. And you can walk here more money on there, so.
Me can't, man.
That now go walk at all. I want to listen for. Duck! Duck to blood clot, the body man come. Duck to pussy clot. That I don't know where so I say, Boom really is mysterious. I judge you know where so. I want to get money so beside me again, man. You can walk.
At first, me hearing so clear, you know. Guys, we're at Ocean's Beach. Kiss me again, make them see.
Bobs.
Abe!
Yes, guys.
So, guys,
put the camera up on me. Hey. You know, see what going on with the beach. Beach. Alright, we don't talk.
Look, we can't beach. If I no laugh.
so guys, we're going back.
Me a black here no girl, cause you kinda sick my stomach.
Why someone here, we are
Watch out.
Why someone here, we are
We can't swim. Watch out. You don't feel like a life jacket that will save me.
Tubing. So guys, we're going on a tubing now. And you make it a ship on my fault. We're gonna tubing now, guys. So let's go.
Yo.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Bombastic.
Come off of this.
Yes! Yo!
Okay, good again.
Why you laugh? You never tell me.
That's what goes. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm freaking out. me feel like tackling me and he said, no, no, no.
Oh, no, I'm not blind. You don't want napkin. You're blind.
Oh, that's this, huh? Data? You feel me? Yeah, we outside. Money's lifestyle. What's up?
Mr. People, when Mr. Monday, I'm going to see.
Yo. Don't put in a book, yeah.
Me couldn't see now? My eye red, right?
Dog.
Yeah, bro. Yo, far we going up? This was fun.
Hold on. You're not your safe phone. What making no contract? Yeah? You're not. Alright, I don't.
Nice, bro. Where are we at? I get some food and go here. Look where I'm at. Look at what.
So I realize I'm so Candy. Never married to you. Mr. Seriously?
How do me here? What? Me this you man.
Hey, me a real paparazzi, you know. Just watch her look here.
So going home. Oh, we all get something to eat. We can't go. I'm gonna kill we.
Which part the island?